Hey, this is Robert. I want to show you how to quickly set up this web page assignment. So the first thing you need is just a text file with a .html extension. And so I'm going to open this up with Word Notepad. You can open up with any text editor. You do not want to use a full-blown word processing program like Word or OpenOffice Writer. Just use a basic text editor. Notepad works just fine to do this. So when we open up with a Notepad, you notice that it's just plain text. This first tag up here just identifies this as an HTML file. This actually begins the HTML portion. This is the header portion. This meta character set just defines this as just basic text with no other formatting involved. This is the title that will appear in the upper left hand corner of the window where the website actually appears. Then this is the body section. This is what actually appears in the web browser itself. This is a header, my personal website with my name. This center tag will just center this image right in the middle of the screen. Notice that we're using the image tag with source equals cowboy.ping, and cowboy.ping is the name of our graphic file. So make sure that your graphic file, your image, and your text file, the .html file, are in the same folder. In this case, they're just in my CSIS 1030 website folder. Then here's another header. This is a header 1, so it's going to be a lot larger than the header 3. About me, and then here is just a paragraph, and then this is the ending body tag and the ending HTML tag. Make sure you've got this body tag, an opening body tag, a closing body tag, an opening header tag, a closing header tag, an opening header title tag, a closing title tag, an opening HTML tag, and an opening closing HTML tag. This is the only tag that won't have, in this case, a closing tag, and the image tag doesn't have a closing tag either. But again, make sure that your image and your .html text file are in the same folder. Then this is an anchor tag with the closing anchor tag. A couple things inside this anchor tag. First of all, is this href. This is just a hyperlink reference, and this is the web page that you want this hyperlink to actually access and display. Target equals blank. This just means it will open up in a new page in your browser, not on the same page. And then this is the text that actually appears. That's basically some of the major components that you'll want inside your HTML text file. Put a couple of other hyperlinks, another graphic image, and you can also put a table in here as well. And the videos will show you how to do this exactly. So when you open up this HTML file, just click on it. It opens up in a browser, and my default browser is Chrome. So whatever your default browser is, it will open up in that browser. And here we've got my personal website, my name. Here's the little graphic center. Here's the About Me header. Then here's that paragraph with the hyperlink embedded in it. And we click on the hyperlink, opens up in a new window, and there it is. So there's, guys. This is not real difficult. Again, make sure that you just use a text editor like Notepad or some other text editor to create your HTML file. Save it as a text file, but with the .html extension. When you click on it, it will open up in the same browser, and make sure you've got your graphic files located in the same folder as your .html file. So there you go. Take care. Bye.